Well, we're having too much fun to stop the video. We have, that's Alice up there. Edward is stalking her. He's laying in wait behind. There he is. Edward, did you get your sister? Did you get that, Miss Alice? Did you get her? Edward's a big boy. He's playful. He's a playful boy, too. Edward. A playful boy. Hi, little Bella. Hey, little girl Bella. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. And Mr. Jasper and Mr. Emmett. These two boys look very similar. Yes, we look very similar. We're pretty handsome boys. And that would be Jacob getting groomed by Mommy. Mommy still grooms him. Jacob, are you getting groomed by your mama? Are you getting groomed by your mama? Glinda takes good care of her kittens. Yes, she does. Who's that? Who's that little kitten? That's Edward up there on the horse. That's Edward. And that's, gosh, these girls look so similar. That's little Rosalie right here on the pillow. And I believe that's Alice. Yes, and little Bella. Edward's really playful this morning. Isn't he, Bella? He's going to get your tail. He's going to get pretty girl's tail. Yeah. He's going to get pretty girl's tail. Did he try to get your tail, Bella? Tell us about it. Tell us about it. Oh, there comes Emmy's. Hi, Emmett. Hi, little Emmett. Need some traction there, huh, kid? Does Emmett need traction? Yes, he's a pretty boy. Oh, sure. He's got nice blue eyes. He's got nice blue eyes. And there's Edward. Oh, we are really going wild. Yes, we're growing up. We're becoming bigger kittens. There's Jacob in his box. Oops. And Mama, Grim, and Edward. Who's in the train? I see some legs in the train. Who's in the choo-choo? Who's in the choo-choo? Who's in the choo-choo? Is that Alice in the choo-choo? Is that Alice? Yes, that's Alice in the choo-choo. Because little Rosalie's at the food bowl. And Rosalie has really grown in this past week or so, last 2 weeks. She is just about as big as everybody else at this point. Yeah. See, Miss Rosalie's really grown. Okay, kittens, I'm going to cut